Hello guys, what's up? How are you? Okay, do you know what that today I went out. So when I went out, I saw where they are selling calabar. You know what is calabar? Nzu. This nzu that pregnant women used to lick. So I saw where they are selling it in the market. So the thing come enter my eye as I dey waka dey go. You dey say I don't walk, I don't pass. I can't see one. No, that one not too ripe for my eye. That one now all these big ones. You know say all these big ones sand stones they dey inside. So now I come e no too hungry but e enter my eye small. Now I come leave am. Come waka go front a bit. Come see another one. Another one, that one dey mold am well. You go see all this one wey be say let's say dem cook am, e come dey black small. So when I come see am, now I come I be wan pass oo, I no go lie. I be wan pass. Now I come say no, I no fit pass. I no fit pass. Say pikin wey dey inside belle need dis thing too. So now I come go meet the woman say madam abeg, how you dey sell dis small cup? Na the woman say the small cup na 500 naira. I say how I go take lick nzu one cup 500 naira? She say no. You used to though you know say some people used to say that nzu is good for pregnant women. Say if you dey lick nzu, say e dey baff pikin, e dey make pikin dey yellow. You understand? Say if there is anything wey dey for the pikin body, so e go clear everywhere. So some people dey talk that thing. So me now I come dey say no, no be say na like that. Me I want say make im dey clean something or make im no clean. But I come say no, the thing just dey hungry me. So do you know what? At the end, I have to buy this into 500 naira. One cup. Now ask me, drop it at that comment section. Ask me how can I leak into 500 naira? I know many of you know what is called unzu. That thing that looks like chalk. That thing that looks like chalk. I would have gone and bring it, but it's in the kitchen. So I now lick it. When I lick it, I lick one, lick two, I lick three. So do you know what happened? This thing start making me before you know it, okay, before you know it, before I can be able to do what I want, what I'm doing, finish, before I can be able to take my bath and do other things. My dear, sleep can't start. And the sleep no be here. You know, saying they cause pregnant woman sleep, too much of sleep. Not even only pregnant woman, whether you are pregnant or you are not, so far you are leaking it will making you to look sleepy. It will be making you, it will causing you sleep. You understand? It will be making sleep to catch you. So far you are leaking into. So when I come leave the inzo finish, now I come the sleep come dey doze me, dey doze me, dey doze me. So I come dey do I say which kind thing be this? So at the end now I come go sleep. So as I come wake up, my dear, hungry come. So when the hungry come, na I come say whether make I still continue to dey look the news because you know say another thing wey you dey do wey no good be say if you don lick am, if the thing don enter your blood, if the thing don master you, that thing no good at all because that thing is from marine, is from water. You understand? That unzu is not good at all. I will not advise someone that I know, whether pregnant or not, I will not advise you to continue taking unzu because a lot of ladies are taking it. A lot of single ladies which they have not, they no be even say they get belle, they used to take that unzu. And my people, that unzu is not good for your body. It's not, even though say you get belle, because you know another thing wey that unzu dey do, e dey block you. If you want to go toilet, e go make you your toilet go strong like never before. You no go fit go toilet freely. You understand? And the thing go dey make, if you know say the time for you to deliver, you go dey hold the baby because the thing don already block everywhere and e go dey dry blood, e go dey suck blood. Please, pregnant women or no pregnant, stop taking that unzu, that calabar is very very bad for the system. E no good at all. So na wetin I carry come, I say make I tell am, I say e say easy, say I lick am today well well, e cause me sleep, e make me dull, things wey I was suppose to do I no do am. So e no good at all. Abeg, whether you pregnant or not, stop taking unzu, stop taking calabar. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Oh.